students. Fifth question from the exercise 5.3. Okay, the question is the point O. See the circle, this is a circle. The point O is the center of a circle which I have drawn here. The point O is the center of the circle. And then use one card as AB. AB is the card where the points of A and B are 8, 6 and 10, 0. OD is this. OD is a perpendicular from the center to the card. So OD is a perpendicular line which is perpendicular to AB. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of OD. So we are going to find the midpoint of OD. So I can say here is, since it is a perpendicular distance from the card, so this will be 90 degree. Okay, and then we are going to find the midpoint of C. So to find the midpoint of C, I have to use the midpoint formula with the help of O and D. So first I found D. What is D? We have to find it, right? After finding this, with the help of this and this, we can find out what is C. So midpoint of AB is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So by adding the values, we are getting the values of D is 9, 3. And then, so after getting this value, now when you know this and this, it is very easy for me to find the value of C. Okay, so midpoint of OD is nothing but take the values of this and this. So by using the midpoint formula, same formula, we got the value of C to be 9 by 2, 3 by 2. So that is the value of C, because our aim is to find what is the midpoint of C. So midpoint C, we should know these two values. In the value, you should find the midpoint. So we have completed. Okay. Now the sixth question is, the points A, B and C are the vertices of the isosceles right triangle, where the right angle is at B. So right angle is at B means it forms 90 degree. Okay. Find the coordinates of B so that ABCD is a square. Now we have to prove that ABCD is a square. So how to show that it is a square? Automatically we know that it is a right angle triangle where BD and AC are the bisectors. Okay, the diagonals are the bisectors. So it meets at the point O. Okay, so I have taken the coordinates A, B and C. We are going to find out what is D. D is unknown. So if it is unknown, you take the value to be X and Y. So A, B, C and D. So find the value midpoint of BD and midpoint of AC will be equal. Why? Because these are the bisectors. So definitely the midpoint of AC will be equal to the midpoint of BD. By using that, we can find what is the unknown values of X and Y. So I have written here midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. Therefore, AC, A and C, you take these two values, finding the midpoint formula, and for B and D, finding the midpoint formula. Now I can equate with this and this. Because when I add this, this is 0. Okay? And here this is 6 by 2, which is nothing but 3, 0, 3. So I have these values. Now comparing with this and this, these two and that 2, we can compare with this and that. So minus 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 0, whereas x value will be getting to be 1. In the same way, minus 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 3, and we will be getting solving this. Say minus 2 plus y is equal to 6, whereas y is equal to 6 plus 2, which is 8. Therefore, the value of D is 1, 8. So that we found it out, because the thing is we have to find out the values of x and y. The value of x and y is 1, 8. And then, seventh question is also in the same process only. So you can try it and you can get the answer for the seventh question. Now we will pass on to the last sum in this exercise, which is the eighth question. A, B and C are the vertices of the right triangle. So I have drawn the right triangle here. A, B and C are the vertices of the triangle. We have the points over there. Show that the midpoint of the hypotenuse, that means this is your hypotenuse, right? So midpoint of the hypotenuse is the equal distance from the vertices. That means we have to show that CD and BD are equal. These are the vertices. C is the vertices, B is the vertices, A is the vertices. So I have to show that AD is equal to CD and BD. Okay. First let me find out what is D. How we can find out D? This is the midpoint. So midpoint of CD, if I form means I will get the value of D. So that midpoint of CB is equals to, I have taken the values of B and C. Using the midpoint formula, I got the value of 0, 0. Okay. So this is the point of D. So you can write this is the points of D. So after getting this D, now I am going to show that BD and CD are equal. By which formula? By the distance formula. You have to use the distance formula here. So distance between AD. The formula is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the distance formula which we have learned already. So by using that x2, x1, y2, y1 substituting, we are getting the value to be square root of 30. In the same way for BD and CD also. So BD, B and D you can take, and for CD also C and D you can take. So all values we got as square root of 13. Hence we proved that the value, the point AD, it is equidistance. It has the equidistance for the vertices. That's it. Thank you.